Hello students, Miss Slyman here with your 3.1 notes for IMH2. This is on polynomials, and first we're just going to start with vocabulary. So a polynomial is defined to be a monomial or a sum of monomials, and this bit here, monomial, mono meaning one. So monomial is one term. Let's go ahead and fill that in. So monomial is one term. I thought I made that blue. Or a sum, and of course sum could include negative numbers, so it might be we're adding a bunch of things, or we have positives and negatives in here. And we tend to write them in descending order, so highest power of x first. And this number may or may not be the biggest of the coefficients, but definitely the power is the biggest. So let's put that in also. This is descending order. And when we have it in descending order, the first coefficient, we saw this in our last unit, is called the lead coefficient or the leading coefficient. N is the degree. We also use the word order, and we see that in polynomial of the polynomial. A sub 0 is the constant term, so that's our term at the end that has no variables. We've got a lot of different kinds of polynomials. When f of x is just equal to a number, like y equals 2, that makes a horizontal line. If we have a first order polynomial or first degree polynomial, then we have a line. So this is first degree. Second degree makes a quadratic. And third degree makes cubic. After that, we don't really say quartic or quintic. Third, this is how you spell third, right? So really we stop with cubic, quadratic, and linear, and after that we just call things polynomials. So I'm going to keep going, and let's look at just the examples here. So given this polynomial, it's in descending order already, so we're okay with that. The lead coefficient is the 3, that's up front here. Degree of the polynomial is also 3, and that comes from the power. So let's do a little bit of highlighting to point this out. So our lead coefficient is this 3 here. The degree is this exponent 3 up top. And the constant term, my goodness, what a terrible example. They're all the number 3. I'm going to use this a different color. My constant term is this 3 on the end. So even though all answers are 3, it's coming from different parts of the polynomial. And this specifically is a trinomial. There we go. Specifically, this one is a trinomial because we have 3 terms. And that's the vocabulary video.